Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
What time of day does the sheriff come to evict you? This is a very stressful and urgent question, so let's get right to the facts. There is no single, universally scheduled time for an eviction, but there is a very predictable window. The most important thing to understand is that evictions are a civil process carried out by law enforcement during regular business hours. This means a sheriff or deputy will almost always arrive on a weekday, so Monday through Friday. They will not show up on a Saturday, Sunday, or a public holiday. The time of day is typically between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. They are not going to knock on your door at 2 a.m. or show up late at night. The reason for this is simple: sheriff's deputies work normal shifts, and the eviction process is an official duty that needs to be documented and often coordinated. The landlord or their representative must also be present to take back possession of the property and change the locks, and they also work during business hours. However, within that 9 to 5 weekday window, the exact time is completely unpredictable. You will not get a phone call giving you a 2-hour window. The sheriff's department has many duties, from court security to serving warrants, and evictions are scheduled alongside all their other responsibilities. An emergency call or a delay on a previous job can easily push your eviction from the morning to the late afternoon. This unpredictability is intentional. The court has already issued the order, and the notice period has expired. The final step is meant to be swift to prevent tenants from barricading themselves in or causing property damage. When they arrive, it is usually 2 deputies. They will knock, announce themselves, and show you the court order, which is often called a writ of possession or a similar name. Their role at that point is not to debate the case, it is simply to keep the peace and ensure you vacate the property. You will be given a very brief period, sometimes only a few minutes, to gather any last-minute personal items. For this reason, if you know the eviction is imminent, you should already have your most important belongings packed, such as medications, identification, and clothes. Cooperating peacefully is your best option, as resisting can lead to arrest. The deputies are just doing their job based on a judge's order. So to summarize, expect the sheriff on a weekday, during business hours, but do not expect to know the exact time of their arrival. We know this is an incredibly difficult situation to face, and we hope this information provides some clarity. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing